Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn subject pronouns in English. Subject pronouns tell us who does the action in a sentence. Let's begin. What are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns replace nouns and come before the verb. The subject pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, it, we. They singular subject pronouns. I gives for yourself, I am happy. You gives for one person or more, you are my friend. He gives for a man or a boy, he is a teacher. She gives for a woman or a girl, she is happy. It gives for things, animals, or ideas, it is a cat. Tip: we do not use names with subject pronouns. She, Anna, is a student, gives, she is a student. Plural subject pronouns, we gives for you and other people, we are students. They gives for many people or things, they are in the park. Subject pronouns with to be, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. Example, she is my sister, they are friends. Common mistakes, she is Anna, she is Anna. Correct, he are my friend, he is my friend. Quick practice, choose the correct subject pronoun. Underscore am a student. Gives I, Anna is my friend. Underscore is nice. Gives she, the dog is cute. Underscore is small. Gives it great job. Now you know how to use subject pronouns in English. Practice every day and see you in the next lesson.